honor is for me. I want to thank a lot for my country.
China, then versus now, the ITTF team. World Cup 2026 and the end of an era. I am not excited. And that surprises me, the ITTF team. World Cup 2026 in London is almost here. It should feel like a celebration. It should feel like the biggest event on the table tennis calendar. And yet, when I look at that photo, something feels different. Look at the top half of that image. 2016, China posing with the trophy gold medals around their necks. Huge smiles. Ma Long, Zhang Jike, Shu Xin, Fan Zhendong, FangBo. Just looking at that photo, I could pick any one of those players and confidently say he has more than a 50% chance of winning this tournament, even without the other Chinese players around him. That is what dominance looks like, not just as a team, as individuals. Now look at the bottom half. 2026, 5 young, serious faces in Chinese red. Talented players, hard workers, representing the next generation of Chinese table tennis. But honestly, I can only say that about one of them with real confidence. And even then, it is not the same feeling.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.